Hey kids! In today's video, we will be learning about acids and bases. Are you ready? Let's begin! What are acids and bases? Some foods taste sour, like lemons and vinegar. Others feel slippery and taste a little bitter, like soap or baking soda. This is because of something called acids and bases. Acids are like the zingy or sour team. They can be found in foods like oranges, lemonade, and even soda. Bases are like the soapy and slippery team. They are found in things like baking soda, soap, and even some vegetables like spinach. How do we know if something is acidic or basic? Scientists use a pH scale to measure if something is an acid or a base. The scale goes from 0 to 14. Acids are between 0 and 6. Lower numbers mean stronger acids. Bases are between 8 and 14. Higher numbers mean stronger bases. Right in the middle at 7 is neutral, like water, meaning it's neither an acid nor a base. Now here are fun facts about acids and bases. Soda can weaken your teeth. Soda is acidic and drinking too much can slowly wear down your teeth. Ants spray acid. Some ants shoot formic acid to protect themselves. Your stomach has acid. Your stomach uses strong acid to help digest food. Bananas are slightly basic. Not all fruits are acidic. Bananas are closer to neutral. Coke can clean rust. Coke and other sodas contain phosphoric acid, which is strong enough to dissolve rust on old metal. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about acids and bases today. Take care now, bye-bye! If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos from us, please click the subscribe button. Also, give us a like. That will help us. We thank you so much and we do hope that you enjoy our videos. See you soon!